Hey there, it's Victoria here. How are you guys? I hope you're okay. And I'm here to talk to you a little bit about a product that I really love, that it's called Tea Burn, okay? So stay tuned to the end of this video that you will know everything about this product. And I also want to give you an alert about this product, okay? So let's go. The first thing you need to know about Tea Burn is where to buy this product. Guys, you can only buy Tea Burn on the official website of the producer of the product, okay? To help you out, I'm gonna leave the link of the official website here in the description of my video. There and only there you can buy the original product, you can check some testimonials among other informations, okay guys? Be careful because there are a lot of websites trying to sell this product, but it's fake. You can only buy the original Tea Burn on the website, okay? So what is Tea Burn, guys? Tea Burn is going to speed up your metabolism, helping you to lose weight faster than traditional diets, just by combining it with your cup of tea. Yes, guys, it's that simple. Also, Tea Burn is not going to help you. It's not only gonna help you to lose weight, but also it's going to give you more vitamins while drinking it, helping you to not being sick so easily. Also, your teeth, yeah, it's going to help the health of your teeth, giving you a beautiful smile with white teeth, okay? So it's perfect, this product. I really love it. But we have to keep in mind that it's not a magical formula. It takes discipline to see the results. So you must take it, you must drink it every morning, okay? So every morning you take a bag of Tea Burn and mix it with your tea, okay guys? The producer believes so much in these products that he gives you a 60 days guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the product, but I'm sure you will be, but if you're not, you can ask for your money back, okay guys? So I think these were the informations I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked the video. I hope I have answered all the questions that you have about Tea Burn. But if you have more questions about it, you can leave on the comment section. That'll help you, okay? But remember that on the official website, you can find all the informations that you need to use Tea Burn, okay? See ya.